In this full guide, we'll walk you through the process of changing who can view your story in Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with a white lightning bolt. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the Messenger menu. Step 3. Now, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the menu and tap on it. This will take you to the Messenger settings. Step 4. Within the settings, look for the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to access the privacy settings. Step 5. Inside the Privacy and Safety menu, you'll find the Story Controls option. Tap on it to proceed. Here's where you can control who can view your story. Select the suitable option from the available choices based on your preferences. By following these simple steps, you can easily change who can view your story in Messenger and ensure your privacy settings align with your comfort level. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and Messenger tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.